Hello everyone, this is Riverton Mayor Trent Staggs, and this is our Mayor's Minute. Well, we have learned this week that local canal companies will only begin flushing their canals on Monday, May 2nd with about 40% of water flow. Given this development, we're asking all residents and businesses to hold off using secondary irrigation water until Wednesday, May 4th. We're lucky that every household has access to secondary water in Riverton. However, given this access and the low rate that we charge, we sometimes see overwatering become an issue. And given the drought conditions Utah has faced really last year and this year, we encourage you to look for ways that you can save water. This Saturday, April 30th, the city is hosting our annual Arbor Day tree planting workshop at 9 a.m. at Monarch Meadows Park. Our city urban forester is going to demonstrate the proper way to plant a tree. Those that will be attending can be entered to win a tree that has been generously donated by Arbor Day Nursery. Riverton City is seeking business and corporate sponsors for Riverton Town Days. These sponsorships are a fantastic way for businesses to both give back to the community and gain broad exposure to thousands of people. We'd encourage interested businesses to view sponsor details and submit their application at rivertonutah.gov/sponsors. We're also accepting applications for entries in the Riverton Town Days Parade and accepting nominations for Parade Grand Marshal. Those interested in having an entry in the parade or nominating someone to serve as Grand Marshal should visit rivertonutah.gov/parade. Those are a few of the things happening in Riverton this week, and we hope you make it a great week.